Okay, let's see, try to do this question. Right now, here they tell now BC and AB tangent to the circle. That means B is the same point from this same B point. BC and AB tangent. So that's why these two must be equal. If these two equal, that means this angle also. That means this side opposite angle. This when I consider ABC triangle, right? Then this angle must be equal to this angle. In isosceles triangle, equal two side, opposite angle also equal. So if I use here different letter like y, now here y, then here also y. Now you can find this y value. How? You can write y plus 50, right? Should be equal to 180. Then if you try to find here answer, 180 minus 50. So here 2y, here 180 minus 50 means 130. If you divide both sides by 2, your answer will be what the here will be, when you divide here 6, then what the number remain here 1, so 65. Okay, that means this y equal 65. This is 65, right? Then this also 65. Okay, then if this is 65, right? Okay, remember now y is 65. Okay, now y is 65, right? Okay, then you need to know another theorem. Whether now O is the center, no, this circle. So from this center, they draw a here is the tangent point. That means CB tangent touch the circle at here, C. So this is the radius, no. Now we know between radius and the tangent must be 90 degree, right? This is 90. So this angle then you can get how much it is. You can tell 90 y 65, no, we get. So 90 minus 65, right? This will be what the 5, and here 8 minus 6 mean 2, 25. Actually this is 25, right? This is 25. Then okay, now you need to know this OC, OA and OD equal to each other, because why? These are radius of the same circle, right? So that's why again this is isosceles triangle. Then if this is 25, this is also 25, right? If this two 25, this is 25, this is 25, that means these two equal to this one. That means here should be 50, right? That's the idea. If this is 50, again you need to know these two equal, right? These two sides equal. So if this is x, this is also x, because opposite angle of isosceles triangle, for the two sides equal, these two sides OD and OA, opposite angle, these two, so that also must be equal. Then you can write finally like this, right? Here you can write like this, for the x plus, that means this and this, x plus 50 should be equal to 180, right? 180. Then what will be the answer here? Here 2x, here 180 minus 50, right? Then here will be 2x equal 130. Then both sides divide by divide by 2. So x will be equal to 65 degrees. So that's the final answer for this one. Now I try to write in near this diagram, because it will be clear. Then if I write somewhere else without this diagram, it will not clear. Right, now you can get the idea here. Try to understand. When you add this 3, it must be equal to 180. Then you can get x value as 65.